Good morning, good morning, good morning. We back with another one, y'all. Happy New Year to everyone. I've been getting a lot of people on my YouTube shorts and some of my other regular YouTube videos of people pretty much asking me to start doing vlogs. I don't care for vlogs. Not saying like anybody that does them, do your thing. I don't, whatever. For me, it's just that I don't care to carry my camera everywhere with me. So I will, but this is what I do, since I know a lot of people want to see vlogs and stuff. I'll do this. I'll do cinematic vlogs. It won't be much talking in it. But you'll get to see, what we do throughout the day. But yeah, man, enough yapping. Let's get this day started, man. One take, shawty. What's up, mama? So we done made it back home. Picked up a bunch of stuff, man. I got a bunch of vintage cameras. So I got this instant loaded 1104. Then I have I don't know. This is a Vito CL Liger Lander. I'm not sure. If y'all know what this is, if you know the name of the camera, if I'm saying it wrong, please let me know. Like I said, this is it. You can get that one. This is made in West Germany. This one right here in the box. I'll give y'all time to read it or whatever. Show y'all exactly what it looks like. So this is a Brownie Hawkeye flash outfit. That's it. This is a camera flash model. This is what this one looks like right here. Very small, very compact. And it has a little handle on it. And it comes with the lighting kit. So I look like I broke one of the lights in here, or maybe it already was broken. But this is the old school light. So yeah, hooks up just like this, y'all. So obviously there's more that's supposed to be in this box, but so actually that's everything that comes in this box right there. Hopefully it focuses so y'all can read that. But yeah, if all of this still works, this is gonna be fire. Here's another one. This is a little one. Check out this little one right here. The vintage Pickwick camera. Very small, very compact, and this is pretty dope. I got this right here. So hold on. All right. So this right here is probably my favorite one that I picked up. My wife actually picked this one up, but it's like you can, hold on. Like that is fire. And then once you're done with it, you just, and it records. I'm literally recording y'all recording me. That is fire. One, which I want to say maybe my most expensive one. I don't know, but imagine back in the day, right? Imagine back in the day. Let me move out of the way, right? Imagine I pull up, just like this, you know. You asked for a photographer? Yeah, your local sniper's here. This is what I pull up with. Come on now. And then I got a little latch on there. Hold on now. Put that back in there. Boom. Got the little latch. Hit that. It's old. Still ain't even flip out, but boom. And it came with the manual, y'all. I got the original manual with this thing. Polaroid electric eye land camera. Came with everything. Got the manual. I got flash. I don't know if y'all seen that, but I got a flash. This is an adapter for color film. Green. So I got a green flash one. They got a yellow one on here. Right. Hold on. So normal daylight. And then I got a blue one over here. Yeah, bro. It like everything came with this. What's so crazy about this is that it still has the laminated seal on the back of it. This is an old camera. I don't know what year this was made, but I'm gonna do all my research on all of these because I want them, and I want to see if they actually are useful to shoot pictures and maybe record some stuff like this one right here. I got one vintage recorder, I guess, and the rest of them are cameras. This is fire, you know. Along with me picking up all of that stuff, Sammy picked up some stuff as well. She picked up a bunch of like old school horror movies because she's doing her room and I'm doing mine. So we kind of both are out buying stuff. But man, yeah, that's all I got. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Go ahead. But hope y'all enjoyed that, and I'll see y'all in the next one.